Good morning, folks. Welcome back to another video, another wicked adventure here in Costa Rica. Today we're going on a tour down the river in the raft. As you can see, the raft behind us. So yeah, that's where we're gonna jump in. I'm not using my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, even though I love that thing, because we might get wet. So the GoPro is waterproof, so I'm just gonna roll with the GoPro today. All right, and then we should be spotting some like crocodiles down the river, birds, hopefully we see slots and stuff like that. But yeah, it should be a good tour, so let's go. You ready?
Very ready.
That's what I like to hear. All right, folks, now it's our turn to go into the raft. Elena, you ready for the raft?
I'm ready for the raft.
All right.
Pon the river.
Pon the bank. Pon the river. Pon the bank. Where you guys from?
From France.
From France?
Yeah,
Yankees.
Paris. Yeah.
You a Yankee fan?
We're from New York.
Oh,
Yankees all the way.
yes.
Yankees all the way.
France.
This one. I'll sneak it up.
Yeah, that's whatever. All right, folks, we just got into a raft. Sorry, folks, I can't help y'all paddle. You didn't get a paddle? No, they should have given you one. I couldn't get one because of my arm. All right, she didn't get a paddle.
Do I need a paddle? No.
Don't
Oh, I like it. I got lucky. Oh boy, I got the honeymoon
I'm
suite.
like,
Yeah.
Don't paddle, amigo, don't paddle.
That be
Your
good?
life, they cannot protect.
Yeah. I'm not sure. Is that good? Well, you're a Yankee fan. Nice hat. Yeah. I'm gonna
You're going down
use a submarine.
stream now, folks.
I trust Yankees.
Okay.
That means you have good judgment. We're gonna figure out right now.
I'm not getting it. See you later. So we're going into two rivers. Two rivers.
I always wanted to see that outside of the dance hall.
Pon the river, pon the bank.
Yeah.
We are with the animals today. Normally, every single tour is different, right? Most of the time, we can see a lot of iguanas and monkeys, howler monkeys,
What kind?
crocodiles,
Oh, okay, crocodiles.
crocodiles, caimans,
Wow.
different birds like herons, kingfisher, amingas.
They're beating us.
Bye.
They're
See you later.
They're overtaking us. Overtaking us. Okay, we're still on DRS. Up. Careful, forward again, forward. Up. Be careful with that line.
I hope you guys have insurance. You hit my car, we got dash. Oh. I have no
Forward
dash cam.
again.
Oh, we have a dash cam.
What is that? That's a bird.
You want to see the white tree?
Yeah.
All the way up at the
Got
white
a
tree.
iguana up there,
Also,
folks.
there's a vulture. Black vulture.
You see it?
A black vulture.
Yeah, vultures.
Oh, up there. Is it? It went off?
It's fine.
Okay.
This is so relaxing.
It is. That's so cool. It's very
So look, these trees over here. Yes?
In this water?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yesterday we saw
Codrillo.
4 actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Do they just flow by, or you meant on the banks?
On the banks.
Nice.
But if you want to see one very close, you just jump into the water and then you see one for sure.
They will find you, right?
Yeah, very close.
Wow. Very close. Intimate.
Sometimes we can see more animals on the beginning, sometimes at the end, you know, that's very unpredictable.
Right. Right, this will be one-sided.
We got 4 different species of monkeys in total, right? Biggest one is the spider monkey, then howlers, white face, and then the squirrel monkey. The squirrel monkey you find it just south on the Pacific, like from Manuel Antonio to Panama. Around here we can find the lowland.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Watch that shot.
Out on the beaver, dive out. That's why the bushes over here.
How in the world would that happen? I would have found that here.
It's too close to the edge because we got a lot of farms over here, right? So it's too
Folks,
close.
we got a dead cow right here. Drunk to the money, I'm up a dead cow. Damn. Prices of them smell.
Yeah. It looks actually kind of fresh.
Fresh meat.
Okay. Papi, respeta, ¿qué es el head guy? A little to the left,
Cute.
top of the water, and the front. Follow.
The branch, a little
Yes,
bird right there.
I'm gonna have to like break my neck.
Got some monkeys up here, dude. Monkey see, monkey do.
the treetop tent.
Another big family.
We still in families.
Yeah, in the Rican trip. We are going to stop over here to see some bats. Bats, yeah.
Runs on the water. Can't zoom in with my GoPro, but the Jesus Christ lizard over there. So. Jesus Christ. Lord have
Amen.
mercy. Run on top of the water.
It's so
Run.
cute. No,
I wanted to run.
but it's gotta run to us.
No muy cerca, hay un basilisco ahí montado encima de la caña brava.
Wow, that is cool.
Dele para adelante, para adelante, para adelante, para adelante. Ok, ahí está bueno, ahorita los suavecitos, porque se ve el puro efecto para no hacer spam. Está ahí montado en la caña brava.
Folks, apparently we have a
Right in front
crocodile
of the raft. There's
on
another
the
one.
bank. See if I can see it. Can't see it because I can't zoom much further with. Oh, right here, right there.
Oh.
What's up, homie? You guys can't see it because I can't zoom with the GoPro that far.
Oh, he's so cute.
Sunbathing. All right, folks. So now we're ending one river and we're going.
Is over. And where we
What
at
is it
now?
called? The other river is coming off to our right.
You said Peña Blancas is ending,
Ajá.
ending now. San Carlos. So
So
we're merging with San Carlos.
what's the name of the person? Pena Blancas river is ending, and then San Carlos
Started. There's a merge here.
is on the right. Yeah. So we're in Pena Blancas, and there's San Carlos, and then further down we have El Tino River. Well, folks, that was a wonderful tour. Hola.
Hola, hola.
Just finished rafting, so we're gonna get some food or snacks. They got some snacks for us, and you know, Elena's hiking again. She's hiking against her will. So we're gonna eat some snacks, head back on the shutter, head back to our Airbnb. I gotta dry my kicks because my kicks are wet, and then right now it's 11 a.m. We didn't have anything planned after 11 a.m. so we're just gonna wing it today. All right, if we wing it and there's something else we're gonna do, you'll see, but if not, I'm just gonna end the video here. All right, bless up on yourself as always. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little calm rafting down the river. All right, peace.